Hello shoppers! Today I would like to share with you one great product. It's strainer. These strainers are made of high quality silicone. It's BPA free, it's food grade, it's non-toxic, and also it's high heat resistant. This strainer is suitable for any type of pots. They all fit, as you can see. The big one, the soup pot, sauce pot, bigger, smaller. All of them fits great. Great choice. It's good quality, it's very easy to use, it drains water fast and efficient, it's dishwasher safe, it doesn't take much space in the cabinet. It's a great product, I would recommend it.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, but it's also the one that's most often skipped. Rushed mornings don't leave much time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Drive-thrus in the frozen food aisle offer easy breakfast sandwiches, but those can have questionable ingredients, so you're never quite sure what you're getting. Now, with the Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker, you can make 2 of your favorite sandwiches with your own fresh ingredients at home even faster. It's great for families because everyone can have a custom sandwich in minutes. Just choose the bread you love, English muffin, biscuit, bagel, or even pancakes. Then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plates out, and you'll have 2 hot, toasty, perfectly assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to eat or take on the go. Cleanup is easy too. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and the cooking surfaces are non-stick. It's the perfectly simple way to make 2 delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwiches. Now that's good thinking.
Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating. No need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides, quickly and evenly, and they're separately controlled. Select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust, or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done, just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements off. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, even cookies and cinnamon rolls. And of course, pizza! Delicious! The Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven from Presto.
Worried you might nick and cut your hand in the kitchen or while whittling a new design? We've got you. Our comfortable, cut-resistant gloves offer great protection. But what does great protection actually mean? Well, our gloves have level 5 cut resistance. And if you're wondering what that means in real-world terms, this level of resistance makes our gloves more than 4 times stronger than leather. Thanks to modern materials, we didn't have to sacrifice comfort for protection. We used a mix of high molecular weight polyethylene, glass fiber, and spandex to make these gloves tough, durable, and wonderfully soft, so you'll forget you're even wearing them. Well, what about fit? Our gloves come in 4 sizes and fit like a second skin, molding to your hands. And they're ambidextrous too, so you never have to struggle figuring out which glove goes where. And each size comes with a different color, so if you buy a pair for yourself and a pair for your partner, you'll easily tell them apart. And, of course, these gloves are 100% food safe. They're very easy to clean too. Just put them in the dishwasher when you're done and let them air dry. But what happens if you order a pair and the fit isn't right, or you experience some other issue? No worries, your new gloves come with a no-cry guarantee. If you have any issue at all, we'll either replace them or refund them. And before we wrap up, one final thing. Don't try to cut your gloves on purpose, especially if you're wearing them. While they're sturdy, blades and sharp points can get through. They're designed to protect your hands, but they don't make you impervious to damage. They just reduce the risks.